Everyone, welcome to the second video on how to set up your Roundups account. In this video, I'm going to teach you as to how you can start saving in mutual funds. Now, if you've not watched the previous video, I suggest that you watch it as it will go through the sign up process. We will show you the different rules that we have in the app and the different types of funds that we help you invest in. Now, let's get started. Let's set up another goal, a rainy day fund. Let's call it Bali. I should have selected a trip. I selected a rainy day. I want to save 50,000 using the roundups rule, and we are going to select a multiplier and the round up to the nearest, and let's select a mutual fund. Let's select a liquid fund. Right, a liquid fund is a mutual fund that lets you invest and withdraw the money instantly, hence why we call it a liquid fund. Now that the goal is created, you'll notice as compared to the previous video, the previous video did not have a PAN number or a KYC verification. That's because you were investing in digital gold, right? So if you're a student or if you're someone who does not have access to a PAN card, you can start using digital gold. But if you have a PAN card, if you want to start saving in mutual funds, you're looking for better returns, or if you're looking to get exposure to some mutual funds, we suggest that you select a mutual fund. And once you're done with that, you'll have to go through a KYC verification process. Now, if once you put in your PAN number, we will know whether you're KYC compliant or not, right? Now, once you verify your KYC, you'll be taken to a page where you'll have to put in rest of the details. If you're an already KYC compliant user, all you'll have to do is put in some personal information, your bank account number, and set up your e-mandate. Whereas if you're new to investing, you've not done your KYC compliant, if you haven't completed your KYC compliant process before, you'll have to go through the entire process. It could be a little challenging as the process is long, but we're going to be simplifying this as much as possible. And with time, this is going to be very, very easy. Okay, let's go through the KYC process. Here you'll have to put in your PAN number, your name as per your PAN card. Make sure that your name is exactly as per your PAN card. If not, your KYC process will get rejected. You'll have to put in your date of birth, the gender, your address, and some of the personal details. Once you're done setting up your address, you have to put in your marital status, your occupation, and your total income. All of these information are required by SEBI to complete your KYC process. It is mandatory. Once you're done, here you enter the last four digits of your Aadhaar card number. You put in the name of your father, the name of your mother. Now you can select three different IDs. It could be a passport, it could be voter ID or driving license. You need only one of them, either one of them. Let's select the driving license, put in the proof number that you have in your driving license below, the date that your license was issued, and the expiry date. Now you upload the front side of your driving license and put in the back side. Here for temporary purpose, I'm just selecting random images, but make sure you select the front and back side of your driving license and try keeping the size of the image less than 5 MB. If you're facing a problem, just take a screenshot of the existing image that you have. That will reduce the size of the image. Once you click on save and proceed, you'll be taken to another screen where you'll have to put in your bank details. Now the bank details are already here because we set up, okay, because we added the details in the previous step or for the previous goal while creating or while setting up an account for digital gold. If you're a new user, you'll have to, or if your first time, if it's your first time to KYC for your KYC process, you'll have to upload a cancel check or a passbook. Now this is mandatory. Make sure that you add this. And in your final page, you'll have to upload your PAN card image. You'll have to take a signature on a white piece of paper, click on that and upload the image here, or it could be a digital signature. You'll have to upload your image. And finally, you'll have to upload a video of yourself with the PAN card and you read out your PAN card number. Make sure that the video is anywhere between 15 seconds and 20 seconds. or else you'll receive an alert, uh, and the process will not go through. Once that is done, you'll have to wait for close to 2 minutes. Ideally, the process should not take more than 20-25 seconds. Now, this is where your verification is going on. Do not shut the app while your verification is going on. If not, you'll have to do it again. Now, it should go through any time now. Ah, now that your verification is done, you'll be redirected to a screen where you'll have to confirm your signature and your documents. And finally, you'll be taken to the e-mandate screen. Now, an e-mandate is necessary for our app as we are a platform that help you invest automatically. And for us to help you to invest automatically, you'll have to set up the auto invest on the mandate amount. Again, we will not deduct this money immediately when you set it up. Either select your debit card or your net banking account, and once the verification is done, your account will be ready to use. That's it. If you want to understand how the product works, how Roundups works exactly, you can check out the video. Uh, uh, the first part of the video, it'll be in the link below. Once you click on the link, you will come across, it'll be very similar. It'll display the rule that you've selected, the fund type that you've selected, and the total amount that you're looking to save. So that's about it. Remember, guys, if you guys are already KYC registered, you will not have to go through this lengthy process. But if you aren't, you'll have to go through this initial trouble of setting up the account, which we are trying to make it as simple as possible. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any doubts, you can write to us at vikram@roundups.in, or you can go to the home screen, and there's a customer help section where you can reach out to us on WhatsApp. Uh, I'm going to be posting another video where we're going to show you as to how you can withdraw your money and how you can do a few other things on the app. Thank you.